Hi, and welcome back to class. I'm Mike. If you're serious about learning English quickly and as easily as possible, I know you'll love this program. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button right now to officially enroll in my class. Here is some general information useful for new students. This is video 3 of lesson 1. Why is friendship important to you? If you haven't seen the previous videos, you should click the link up here and start with the vocabulary lesson. This is what the lesson looks like. You should have it printed already. If not, follow the link in the description down here and print it in color, and make sure you have colored pencils. This is exercise 4, and as usual, we will start with pronunciation and then spelling, and we'll play a fun little word game to help you with memorization and grammar. Ooh, so easy. Let's get started. First, just listen and repeat after me. Record your voice and compare it to mine. We'll practice each sentence twice, first word by word, and then we'll practice the whole sentence. After that, try to write as many English words as you can and Vietnamese meaning. You might not know too many at first, and that's okay. I'll show you the meaning later, but you should be able to identify the vocabulary from this lesson. If you can't identify the vocabulary from this lesson, go back and review lesson 1, okay? Let's begin. Number 1. Why is friendship important to you? Why is friendship important to you? Number 2, friendship is important because I need someone I can trust. Friendship is important because I need someone I can trust. Okay, now number 2 is a verb. So we need to look at these verb forms. So the base verb is trust, and then we've got trusts, trusted, trusted. That's important to remember. Number 3, the world has many friendly people. Good. The world has many friendly people. Number 4. But it takes more than friendliness to be a good friend. But it takes more than friendliness to be a good friend. Okay, be careful about the pronunciation of this word, okay? This word is pronounced bit, okay? Not beat, okay? This bit. This one beat, okay? We want bit. Okay, everybody practice this with me again. Bit. Bit. Okay? It also takes quite a bit of patience. It also takes quite a bit of patience. And here, quite a bit means a lot. Number 6. For me, trust is the most important thing. For me, trust is the most important thing. Good job. Okay. Of course, friendship also requires common interests. Of course, friendship also requires common interests. And of course is an interjection, and it means yes or obviously. Okay, notice here again, beat and bit. This one is beat. Beat. It's strange, but beets are my favorite food. It's strange, but beets are my favorite food. Okay, nothing beats dinner and a drink with good friends. Nothing beats dinner and a drink with good friends. So, for dinner, I prefer the company of vegetarians. Vegetarians. So for dinner, I prefer the company of vegetarians. Okay, good job. Before I show you the answers, I need you to go back to number 1 and look at all of these sentences and see if you can remember any other words. Pause the video and do that now. When you are ready, I will show you the answers. Okay, excellent everyone. Here are the answers. Go ahead and check your mistakes and correct them. That's really important. So pause the video and do that now. Okay, now it's time to play the game. The rules are simple, really. Just use colored pencils to color over the top of each word according to its type. Circle the words that indicate past, present, or future, and underline spelling changes at the beginning or end of a word. If you need more instructions, click this link up here, okay? Here's an example of how it should look. Basically, we put words into 3 categories and assign each category a color. The first category is things, and the color is blue. Words that describe them are light blue. The second category is actions, which are red, and the words that describe them are light red. The third category is connecting words, and the color is green. If they connect structurally, color them dark green. And if they connect more descriptively, color them light green. Okay, pretty easy. Okay, anything we do in life when we study at a university or work or have a business or anything, you will have to use English quickly and under pressure. And since you will always be tested in life and in business with a timer, you should practice with a timer. So, write the time that you begin here, the time you end here, and the total time that it took you right here. Okay? When you are ready, pause the video and complete the exercise. Just follow this example. All right, let's check your answers. They should look like mine. Just count the number of words you got correct in each sentence and write the answer on the left side over here. Okay, and here are the last of the answers. Count the total number of words you got correct and write it in this box. Okay, divide, and this is your score. Pretty easy, right? You will know you are improving over time because your accuracy will increase and the amount of time it took you will decrease. Pause the video if you need to. We are going to continue. Okay, good job with that. Now let's look more at the question and answer, okay? In this example, I started really well and then I went off topic and started talking about what friendship requires. It's maybe okay for speaking because speaking is spontaneous and dynamic. You just make it up as you go. But in writing, we really want to stay on the same topic. This might be a better example. So in this example, I just changed one sentence and it allowed me to stay on topic with no problem. Pretty easy, right? Now, I'll show you the full written version of the essay that I wrote for this lesson. Here is an example essay that I wrote to answer this question. Notice the underlined parts and notice how I constantly refer to the original question. It's really important to stay on topic and to answer the question that was asked and not some other question. Let's read it together and then we're finished. Friendship is one of life's greatest joys, and that in itself is of great value. But each of us values friendship for a variety of different reasons. In this essay, I will talk about a few reasons why I personally value friendship so much. First, friendship is important because I need someone I can trust. The world has many friendly people, but it takes more than friendliness to be a good friend. For example, it also takes quite a bit of patience and mutual understanding. For me, however, trust will always be the most important thing. Of course, friendship also lets friends explore common interests together. For example, it's strange, but beets are my favorite food. And since nothing beats beets for dinner, except dinner and a drink with good friends, I prefer to dine with my vegetarian friends. While we bond over beets, we more importantly share our minds and the content of our characters. When we talk about common interests, we listen to and challenge each other's ideas. We learn, teach, and grow together and individually. In summary, friendship is important to me for many reasons, and I talked about two good reasons: having someone to trust and having someone to explore life and learn with. But I saved the best for last. I think most people will agree that the true value of friendship comes on that fateful day when it's time to move and our best friend is unlucky enough to drive a truck. And of course, they are obligated to help us. Well, folks, we've made it to the end of another video. In case you missed my last video and didn't see the beautiful pictures of my girlfriend, I really want to share them again, just to remind you why I'm doing this. You probably thought it's because I love English so much and I just want to share it with the world. True enough. But as you know, I'm trying to impress my bae. Now that you see how beautiful she is, maybe you can understand why I worked so hard to do this and why I really need you to like this video and share it with your friends. By the way, if you missed her appearance in the last video, you can click the link here to watch that video. And it's really helpful, especially if you need help pronouncing the English TH. And I know you do because I'm a teacher. And I gotta tell you guys, you suck at that sound. It's not the same as it is in Vietnamese. It's really difficult. So go ahead, click that link and watch that video too. In the next video, we will talk more about the meme. We'll do some quick writing practice, and then we'll take the second quiz. Don't forget your homework. It's always the same. Review with your notebook and your flashcards almost every day. Thanks for joining me, folks. I hope you like this video. Like it, share it, blah, blah, blah. See you next time.